Hi, this is Chef Kevin, and tonight I'm having a little party with a couple in our community, along with my wife, and I just finished the smoked salmon dip. Came out really nice. I'll reference that at the end of this video. And now I'm about to make crab quiche Lorraine. Okay, I want to cook something that's local and sustainable, and I want to put a little twist on it. I don't think people here are really thinking along the lines of crab quiche Lorraine. So let me show you the ingredients and we'll get right into this because I got a lot of work to do. Okay, let's start out with the major player, that being the crab meat. This is 1 pound of local crab meat. This is steamed. This is jumbo lump from Edward Seafood on Route 13 in Olney, Virginia. This is the best crab you can get because it's nice and fresh, it's local, it's lump, which means it's big pieces. They also sell a smaller version, and they also have a crab meat, just the claws as well. But this is the most expensive one. This is $46 right here, so it's going to be an expensive pie. But I'm not going to use that imitation crab, and I'm not going to use that crab from Vietnam or wherever that places are out there that you see in a can. Okay, I have some fresh spinach here. I have some white button mushrooms. You can use any type of mushroom really. I have a medium-sized onion. I don't think I'm going to need all that. 5 eggs, a little butter, salt and black pepper, the obligatory spices, and I also have some milk and garlic. Did I mention garlic already? If I did, I apologize. And I'm also using Old Bay seasoning. This goes really well with crab. It's used extensively in this Virginia, Maryland area. Okay, I have 2 tablespoons of butter in a large saute pan. I'm going to add a little oil. I have about 4 white button mushrooms, actually 5 white button mushrooms, thinly sliced. I have half of a medium-sized yellow onion, medium sliced. I want to go ahead and wilt these down, get all that water out of the vegetables, otherwise the quiche will be overly wet. Go ahead and add my pepper now. This way the pepper starts roasting. Get those flavors woken up a bit. A little salt, that'll help bring the moisture out as well. And I'm going to go ahead and add my Old Bay now. This is like the pepper. This will start cooking off, roasting, getting all that Old Bay spice going. That's about 1/3 of a cup of Old Bay. Okay, I'm going to lower the heat to medium, and this will take about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, that was about 5 minutes. I have 3 cloves of very thinly sliced garlic. Put them in there. I don't want these to burn, so that's why I'm putting them in later rather than sooner. I have a whole bag. It's 10 ounces of fresh spinach. Now that looks like too much, but spinach is, like most vegetables, 90% water. These are going to wilt down. Turn the heat up just a bit. Let's just take 4 or 5 minutes. So, as you can see, how much the spinach has wilted down to almost nothing. All the water is driven off, so what I'm going to do now is just set this aside, let that cool down for a few minutes, and I'm going to prep my egg mix. Okay, this is the egg mix. This is the binding agent. 5 large eggs. You really don't want to whip them up too much. You don't want to get a lot of air in there. You're not baking a cake. I have a whole cup of milk. A little sea salt in that. A little black pepper. I'm also going to put a little cayenne pepper in there as well. That's half of a teaspoon. Okay, so here I have my vegetable mix. Gonna put in 6 ounces of feta cheese and 8 ounces of fancy shredded 5 cheese Italian style blend. This is mozzarella, smoked provolone, Asiago, Parmesan, and Romano cheeses. This is going to be over the top, I think. Mixed it up fairly well. Have my oven preheating, 350 degrees. This will take about 40-45 minutes. Okay, I have my mix ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and put this beautiful crab meat into the mix. That's about 3/4 pound of jumbo crab meat. You can see just how huge these pieces really are. Okay, this is my pie dish. I'm going crustless today. No carbs, less calories. That is mold release. Just comes out a little bit easier. I'm going to go ahead and pour that mix into my tray. It's a 9.5-inch tray, by the way. I don't want to overfill it because this will rise a bit. I don't want to make a mess out of it. Okay, my egg mix. One final stir. I'm going to put that right on top. Shake it up a bit. Press it down a bit just to level it off. Okay, this bad boy is ready for the oven. As you can see, it's about 1/2 inch below the rim of the bowl. And I didn't use a full cup of milk after all. I used 1/2 cup of milk. I didn't want to make it too soggy. Okay, into the oven, 350, 45 minutes. Okay, this is fresh out of the oven. Cooking time ended up being 50 minutes, which is a little longer than other quiches I made, and I think that's because it is a fairly deep dish. So I poked it with a toothpick and it came up dry, so I think we're good to go here. Hope they enjoy it. Here is a slice of the crab quiche I made for the party. Apparently everybody really liked it. It's very crabby, full of lump crab, the big pieces, full of cheese, garlic, onions. This came out very nice. Thanks for watching this video, and check back later for other videos.